Welcome back everyone. In today's video I will show you how to assemble corner wall cabinet IKEA section, the size 26 by 26 by 30, article number 10265504. The package weighs 22 kilograms or 48 pounds. Timer. Let's go. Alright, tools I'm gonna use. The first one is a knife to open the box and hardware inside. Another one, it's an impact driver with a PZ bit and hammer, square, screwdriver and pin nailer. It's not really cabinet which you assemble a lot repeatedly, and I believe it's a little bit longer to assemble than usual frame. Inside we have instruction, then it's hardware, hinges, some cardboards, it's a floor, another floor, gable, another gable, and two backing pieces. All the details you can find in your instruction. Recommend to assemble first, get two floors and backing piece and screw like angle wise. First thing, we will work with floors, not with gables. Alright, let's open the box with hardware. What do we have here? We have hardware, nails, even the hinge plates. Alright, so to use those special screws, screw those, so get the corresponded bit, or put those in first. 1, 2, then pinholes inside. Line up with those screws with the holes. Okay, we'll try to do it by balancing. Oh yeah. Yeah, obviously the time for assembly will be longer than 10 minutes, that's for sure. You need to make things work somehow. Alright, first step done. So put all the screws, all the brackets on a gable and then assemble together. Now let's put those two here. Get those graphic screws. Okay, let's put dowels. Alright, so next step, to screw angle brackets. So I hope that this video will be helpful for people who just want to do IKEA kitchen or cabinets themselves. That's actually what IKEA, the main idea, that you don't need to hire anyone to do IKEA cabinets. So you don't need to hire me to do IKEA cabinets, because I'll show you all the process and all the points when you need to pay attention to make it right. Alright, when floor connected with the gable, so we put those lock nuts. Use screwdriver by rotating 180 degree clockwise. We lock those nuts and connect gable and floor. Now go to another position, into holes, then turn 180 degree clockwise to lock the nut. We'll take the backing piece white goes in and just put into the groove. White side goes into the cap. Alright, let's make sure that the cabinet square. Yeah. Because if cabinet not square, how you can make everything nice and square? No nails inside. Very good. Alright, I think that's it for assembly. Yeah, so it's assembled and it took 22 minutes 44 seconds. Like, subscribe, comment, share, and we'll see you in the next video.